not continue the way it's going today. And it's your prayers. Your prayers is you're not asking for anything more. You're asking just for good governance. You're asking them hope to build a place for your children. We want to give the children of this country hope, where to live in. They're not asking for more. We have 100 million Nigerians living in poverty. We have our young ones who have gone to school without job, without a future. They're not asking for anything. They want an opportunity to earn a living. It is not too much for their country to give them. Peter Obi is not asking you today for vote for Peter Obi. I'm asking you to sit down and scrutinize all those that are offering themselves for election. Put all of us on a scale. Let's know who we are. Let's ask questions who we are. Let's verify who we are. It is important for you. Do not say because Peter Obi is from the East, I will vote for him. Do not vote for me because I'm an Igbo man. Do not vote for anybody.